Hello, how to solve this exponential problem? This is 3 raised to the power of square root of x equals 27 power x. You are solving for all values of x that satisfies this equation. Now, what we are going to do will be to ensure that these two bases are the same. So I have 3 to the power of this is square root of x equals, here is 27, and I can express 27 as 3 times 3 times 3, and this is 3 power 3. So 27 is the same as writing 3 to the power of 3, and this is to the power of x. So considering this identity, if you have a power n to the power of n, this equals a power n times n. Applying this identity here, I have 3 power square root of x equals 3 power 3 times x, that is 3x. Now, let's consider this other identity. If you have a power n equals a power m, since the two bases are the same, you can compare the exponent, meaning n equals m. So that means we have root of x equals 3x because these two bases here are the same. So from here, what we can do will be to take the squares in order to eliminate the square root. We take the squares or put part of this equation. So if you have square root of a raised to the power of 2, this is the same thing as writing a power 1 over 2, which is the same thing as square root of a, and this is raised to the power of 2. And once you multiply this exponent, you have a power 2 over 2, and this will give you a. So on this note, we can cancel out the squares, and this cancels the square root. So we have x equals 3 times x, and this is raised to the power of 2. Now, if you have a times b raised to the power of c, this equals a power c times b power c. Applying the same thing here, of x equals 3 power 2 times x power 2. So from here we have x equals 3 power 2 is 9 times x power 2. And from here, you can multiply this out. 9 times x squared, that is 9x squared. Have x equals 9x squared. So to solve for x, what I can do, I move this over here. Have 0 equals 9x squared minus x. So by rearranging this, I have 9x squared minus x equals 0. So let's factor out the common term here, which is x. Because it appears on both sides, I have x times this divide this, I have 9x minus x divide x, I have 1, and this equals 0. So right now, I can equate each of these to 0. Have x equals 0. Have 9x minus 1 equals 0. So let's solve these individual equations. We have x equals 0. For this one here, it's a linear equation. I start by moving negative 1 over here. Have x equals 1. So from here, I can isolate x by dividing this by 9 and dividing this by 9. So right now, 9 eliminate 9, of x equals 1 over 9. So we have two values for x right now. We have x equals 0, and we also have x equals 1 over 9. So these are the two values for x that we have gotten so far. We can also decide to verify for each of the values of x. We have x equals 0, x equals 1 over 9. And remember, the question remains 3 power square root of x equals 27 power x. And we have x equals 0 and x equals 1 over 9. So let's start with this one here. X equals 0. So this means we are going to have 3 power square root of 0 equals 27 power 0. So from here, square root of 0 is 0. Add 3 power 0 equals 27 power 0. And remember, any number raised to the power of 0 is 1. A power 0 is 1. X power 0 is 1. Exception of 0 power 0. This is not 1. So 3 power 0 is 1. 27 power 0 is 1. Now let's also consider when x equals 1 over 9. We have 27 power x is actually 3 power square root of x equals 27 power x. X is 1 over 9. So we substitute this value for x. I have 3 power, this is square root of 1 over 9 equals 27 power, this is 1 over 9. Now, if you have square root of a over b, this equals square root of a divided by square root of b. So we have 3 power, this is square root of 1 divided by square root of 9 equals 27 power 1 over 9. Now, square root of 1 is 1 and square root of 9 is 3. So from here, I have 3 power 1 over 3 equals 27 power 1 over 9. Now, I can express 27 as 3 power 3. So we have 3 power 1 over 3 equals 27 is 3 power 3. And this 3 power 1 over 9. Now, if you have a power x to the power of y, this equals a power x times y. So you multiply this out. So from here, I have 3 power 1 over 3 equals, you have 3 power 3 over 9. And 3 cancel itself, 1 cancel 9, we have 3. So I have 3 power 1 over 3 equals 3 power 1 over 3. So if you have a power 1 over n, this equals the n root of a power 1, which is the same thing as the n root of 8. So right now, 3 power 1 over 3 is the same thing as saying the cube root of 3 power 1. And this equals the cube root of 3 power 1. So 3 power 1 is 3. We can have this as the cube root of 3 equals, this is cube root of 3. The both sides are not the same, and that is it. So the both sides are the same, and we have verified our solutions, and all the solutions are correct. So that is it. Thank you and goodbye.